Hello everyone, I'm Miss Hyacin Prihales and I'm 40 years old. I live in Porok 4, Barangay Liling, Hagunoy, Davao del Sur, Philippines, with my son who is currently in college. I graduated from Davao Sur National High School. From 2016 to 2018, I worked as a domestic helper in Kuwait, taking care of the family with the six members, including four kids, ages 14, 12, 8, and the little one was 2 years old. My last job was in Kuwait also from 2018 to 2023 where I was a housekeeper in a royal family which included four people with toddlers. One was 2 years old and the other one was 1 year old. In my roles, I did a various tasks like cleaning the house, ironing, cooking for the family, washing the clothes, reading the books of their kids, and even taking care of their dogs. The most importantly, I ensured that the siblings were looked after. If you decide to bring me into your family, I promise that I will put my heart and dedication into my work. I really hope to join your family. Thank you and have a wonderful day.